All right, now we're going to turn to an immigration attorney who says he was detained at Detroit Metro Airport by Customs and Border officials. It happened as he was returning from the Dominican Republic, where he was on spring break with his family.
And he spoke this afternoon with our Glenda Lewis. Glenda joins us now with more about that man's experience and what agents demanded that he do. Glenda.
Yeah, well, Mike and Carolyn, this is coming nearly 2 weeks after President Trump directed the U.S. Attorney General's office to have attorneys and law firms face possible disciplinary action for, quote, violating professional conduct rules. A Dearborn attorney on a high-profile case for a U of M protester shares his experience with us about an attempt to confiscate his phone at Metro Airport.
One of the agents scanned my passport and then asked a different agent if the TTRT team member was here. I didn't know what that acronym stood for, so I Googled it, and it turned out it's the Tactical Terrorism Response Team.
5 days of relaxation in the Dominican Republic ended in tension and stress when Amir Makhlid and his family returned home to Detroit Metro Airport.
So I looked over at my wife. I said, they're going to probably detain me for questioning. Sure enough, they lead me into another interview room. And at that point, my only concern was, can my wife and kids leave?
A civil rights attorney in Dearborn for 13 years now, Amir is currently representing one of several protesters who were arrested for resisting and obstructing after a pro-Palestinian rally at the University of Michigan last year.
A plainclothes officer walked in, who wouldn't identify himself to me, showed me a badge but wouldn't give me his name, and says to me, "We know that you're an attorney and we know that you've taken on some high-profile cases. And the only high-profile case recently I've been taking is the representation of a University of Michigan protester."
After being detained for almost 2 hours, it was a compromise over contacts that set him free.
He said, "Well, we're interested in the contents of your phone." And he hands me a pamphlet and says, "We're allowed to take your phone. We can give it to you later, but if you want to leave with your phone tonight, we're going to go through it. Even if you took my phone, you're not able to do anything with it legally anyways, because it's all privileged information. There's thousands of emails, text messages, communications, files in my device. What about your contact list? Is your contact list privileged?" I said, "Okay." I said, "If I give you the contact list, am I leaving with my device tonight?" He said, "Yeah, we'll let you take your phone home if you show us your contact list." I said, "Okay, I can let you see my contact list. But that's it."
Yeah. Do you have any moves from here? Or is it just done and over with and you're just...
If we still have the Fourth Amendment in this country, if we still have the ability to have our own privacy in our home or in our work, why would the government be able to take my phone at a border crossing? That law needs to be looked at and needs to be challenged.
And we do know a couple law firms have sued in federal court over this executive order they say is meant to sanction firms who have previously investigated President Trump. One even settled for $100 million in free legal fees. But attorney Makhlid says while disturbing, he knows the law and expresses concern for people who don't. He suggests taking another phone with you on vacation if you're concerned about protecting any of your personal information.
Hard to believe that he was able to say, "Okay, I'll show you my contact list," and then they let him go, because what if he didn't want to show them the contact list?
And he stood, for his rights in that moment, according to what he said, as far as he could. But they can take your phone.
Frightening.
Yeah, you're hearing stories about this across the country, so it's interesting to hear it happen right here in Detroit.
Yeah, well, I'm glad he's satisfied and just home. So
Satisfied and home, and we'll continue to follow cases like it, Glenda.
yeah, thank you, Carolyn.
Thank
Mike.
you.